Hidden secrets of the rich. Use them now. Stop. Don't blink. Because what you're about to hear is something rich people never explain openly. Not because it's complicated, but because it changes everything. Most people chase money their entire lives and never understand why it keeps running away. Today, I'm going to show you the hidden secrets of the rich, the ones that actually work. Stay until the end, because the final piece connects everything you've ever wondered about wealth. If you leave now, you'll stay exactly where you are. The biggest lie about money is that it's about luck, talent, or timing. That's what keeps people stuck. The truth: wealth is built on invisible rules most people never learn. Rich people don't work harder than everyone else. They think differently. They see opportunities where others see risk. They act when others hesitate. And once you understand why, you'll never look at money the same way again. This is where the shift begins. Let me tell you about Daniel. He worked nonstop, followed every safe rule, and still lived paycheck to paycheck. One day he noticed something strange. The richest people he met weren't the smartest. They were the calmest. They didn't panic. They didn't rush. They didn't chase money. Instead, money followed them. Daniel stopped copying poor habits disguised as normal and started modeling wealthy thinking. That decision changed his trajectory forever. What Daniel discovered applies to you. Rich people protect their energy before they protect their money. They avoid desperation, fear, and urgency because those states create bad decisions. When you operate from clarity instead of pressure, money flows differently. Wealth is not created in survival mode. It's created in control mode. Most people fail right here. Don't be one of them. If this is hitting you right now, hit like as a signal that you're ready to think differently. Comment below, "I choose the rich mindset," and share this video with the word wealth, because when you spread value, value comes back multiplied. Now pay attention. This next secret separates winners from everyone else. Rich people don't ask, "How much does it cost?" They ask, "What does it return?" Time, knowledge, relationships, skills. These are assets long before money shows up. Poor thinking protects comfort. Rich thinking invests in growth. This is where money starts chasing you. The rich don't wait to feel ready. They act, learn, adjust, repeat. Waiting for certainty keeps people average forever. Momentum creates clarity, not the other way around. If you've been waiting for the perfect moment, this is your wake-up call. Your breakthrough depends on this. At some point, every wealthy person made a quiet decision. I will no longer live like everyone else. Not louder, not flashier, just more intentional. That decision rewired their future. You're standing at that same moment right now. The final truth is coming, don't miss it. Here it is. Money doesn't respond to desire, it responds to identity. When you become someone who expects abundance, money aligns with you, not overnight, but inevitably. You don't chase wealth, you align with it. This is the secret they never teach openly. Subscribe to MoneyMasteryX and turn on the bell, because every video here is designed to reprogram how you think, decide, and build wealth. And don't stop now. Watch all the videos on this channel. Each one unlocks another layer of the rich mindset. This isn't just content. This is a financial awakening. Go to the next video. Your future self is waiting.